Namaskar, welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. Have a look on the headlines. Enterprising effort of Shops Collective of Rourkela Steel Plant. Communication meeting and award function held at SMS2 department. And Daksha, an awareness program for contract workers held. Now the news in detail. The SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant Collective has long been known for its technical skills. It takes every challenge as an opportunity and accomplishes even the toughest of jobs with talent and resilience. The employees have proved their technical brilliance on a number of occasions and have won accolades and awards at the national level. The first time ever overhauling of the single roll crusher assembly of Sinter Plant 3 department by the Shops Collective of RSP is yet another example of one such effort. It is worth mentioning here that the single roll crusher is used to make proper size of hot sinter by crushing breaking of hot sinter cakes coming out of sinter machine in SP3. Since Sinter plant feeds sinter of appropriate size to blast furnace number 5, sinter crusher is a vital equipment to ensure it. The SRC assembly in SP3 warranted replacement after running continuously for around 5 years as all these stars were worn out. The assembly, weighing 34.5 tons and 7,400 mm in length, has 14 hard-plated crushing stars of flying diameter 2.5 meter mounted on a hexagonal shaft. The repair shop mechanical department took up the challenge to overhaul the equipment which was being done for the first time. This challenging job was very difficult to start due to non-availability of repair methodology plan and drawing. The job had to be carried out in structural and fabrication shop due to the limitations of RSM crane to handle loads up to 30 tons. The RSM team developed a revival methodology of the equipment after a detailed study and brainstorming. 2 stands were fabricated to place the equipment and proper hose pipes were arranged to use mixed gas and compressed air. Suitable burners were designed, fabricated and machined in-house. 2 numbers of special adapters were made ready to facilitate dismantling of bearing housing with the help of hydraulic jacks. The collective successfully overhauled the equipment with complete in-house resources as per repair plan in the shortest possible time. With this enterprising effort, the Shops Collective is fully prepared to take up similar challenges in future and help the company save substantially. A general manager's communication meeting and award function were held at the conference hall of Steel Melting Shop 2 department on 26 October. Mr. Gautam Banerjee, GM SMS2, presided over the meeting. Present on the occasion were Mr. B. Sadwal, DGM in charge mechanical, Mr. A.K. Garai, DGM operation and other senior officers of the department. In all, 23 employees attended the meeting. In the meeting, safety, welfare and health checkup were discussed in detail. The achievements of the previous month, the targets for the coming month and issues pertaining to the improvement of the production and performance of the department were also deliberated upon. During the program, Mr. Banerjee presented the Employee of the Month award for the month of August and September, comprising of a certificate and a token gift to Mr. Ajit Patro and Mr. S. Behra, both SOST from SMS2 Mechanical respectively. It is worth mentioning that Mr. Patro was recognized for taking several initiatives for stabilization of the new 250 tons charging crane and its operation. Mr. Behra was recognized for his contribution in the modification of blade wash of ID fan number 1 and 2 to reduce duration of shutdown. The program was coordinated by Mr. S. Biswal, Deputy Manager, personnel modernization. A one-day program on Daksha, an awareness program for contract workers, was held at HRDC on 26 October. In all, 41 contract workers placed a power distribution, coal rolling mill, new plate mill, coal handling plant, sinter plant, hot strip mill and blast furnace 5 of RSP attended the program. The program was organized to impart basic knowledge and skill to contract laborers mostly engaged in maintenance and repair jobs at various sites. As per the job requirement, the program focused on conditions of working in RSP, industrial hazards, general safety, job safety, working at heights hazard and precautions and safe work practices. The session were conducted by Mr. Ashish Chakrabarti, DGM in charge pipelines, Mr. Sunil Biswal and Mr. M. Behra, both safety inspector from Safety Engineering Department. The program was coordinated by Mr. H. N. Pati, DGM HRD with the support of Mr. H. C. Panda, Senior Instructor HRD. It may be noted that the program Daksha is being conducted twice a month so as to cover maximum numbers of contract laborers under this new initiative. It has been designed to take care of safety aspects with knowledge skill enhancement. And with this we come to the end of this edition of News Bulletin. Namaskar.